Your CV and axle joint are here. Your CV joint is actually right underneath this boot, and obviously the axle comes out here, it's fixed. The CV allows the wheel to be able to turn and go up and down, so it's a joint. So if you think about it, when your vehicle is just riding on the highway, all the suspension is pretty much straight, your axle is kind of turning almost directly your wheel, but then once you turn your wheel, the CV has to work harder. And you can see on this joint, or this boot, is ripped and torn. So that's something you want to look for. You also want to look for any other nicks or scrapes or tears in this boot. Your CV joints will tell you when they're going bad. Basically, you want to be in your vehicle, have your windows down, and you want to drive slowly in full turn circles. So turn your wheel all the way to the lock and drive slowly in full turns, and you should start hearing a clicking sound if your CV joints are bad. And you can do it both ways. You know when they're really bad. A little bit of a clicking noise indicates they're starting to wear. They're really bad and definitely need a replacement if the clicking noise is accompanied by feedback in your steering wheel as well.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out oneaauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.